Hello, my name is Alejandra Bocanegra. I am married. I am a housewife. I'm studying agro for engineer. I am my spare time. I like to play soccer. I am be with my family. Living in Tolima, I am my city. There are many tours. Please search ante Indigenous Moon, the Coello River, Guacharacuspa, among others. I am Tolima. All for tropical foods is viudo de pescado. Ping, tamales, viudo de pescado is a dish that has fish, banana, potato, cilantro, onion, and yuca. In Tolima, you can go on excursion to the Indigenous Moon. You can also visit the Tuspam and walk two beautiful streams. Of the two, you can also enjoy exquisite typical foods that ciruelas, yogurt, and arequipe come and you this beautiful city.